Hello, my name is Tuomas Häkkinen and I'm leading our project sales in Auramarine. Today I have a pleasure of telling you more about our good cooperation with Terntank shipping company and especially their hybrid tanker projects where we have delivered our full methanol fuel supply system. This project is a perfect example on how we work best with our customers. The earlier the customer takes us in, the better we can help them to design and build safe and compliant technical systems for their specific needs. The scope of this project was to deliver a turnkey methanol fuel supply system for the new building project, where original ship design was done actually for the LNG fuel. So we started with the concept and system design together with the owner, trying to figure out on how the new fuel setup could be implemented for reserved spaces. In the next step, more detailed design like process, mechanical, automation and electrical design was needed for drawing approval and before the actual methanol unit manufacturing could be started. Basically, our methanol system includes bunker station with ship-to-shore link, tank instrumentation, methanol transfer units, methanol supply unit and master fuel valve. All modules are pre-assembled, tested and designed to fit in with limited space available. We also provide lots of loose items as part of the system, like for example different type of sensors. One of our key features is of course our in-house designed automation system, which includes a control and monitoring system and a separate emergency shutdown system with gas detection. Safety and compliance with international standards are taken care of by working together with the classification society. Design and hardware are always class approved separately on each project. Auramarine uses own certified commissioning engineers in our methanol project commissionings to ensure that deliveries are made professionally. Training of the crew is a very important part of the commissioning to ensure that the crew on board feels confident in using system on board safely. There are several ways to serve ship owners in ship operations, such as operational support, when an expert helps to solve customer requests, and proactive spare part planning. In addition, the fuel supply system can be monitored remotely, enabling full system support around the globe by Auramarine experts. It will also bring both cost and efficiency benefits with less downtime and personal expenses. We are of course delighted to be part of this unique project, which was another important step in our commitment to sustainable solutions. Through close collaboration with ship owners, engine makers, as well as shipyards, we are able to develop tailored and reliable solutions that ensure efficient fuel management, helping our customers to meet their decarbonization targets.